have to strengthen knees and stretch the hip flexors, and I'm going to show you the one thing that you can do that's actually going to help both. So in order for you to be able to do that exercise, I want to bring to your attention a couple of things that are important. Your knee joint is not just the front of the knee joint. The sides and the back matter, and the back portion of the knees we hardly ever give attention to. So my go-to exercise to strengthen the back portion of your knees, practicing to walk backwards. Now, in order for you to practice the back portion of the knees, this exercise I'm about to show you is the one that will actually stretch your hip flexors. And in the dynamic exercise that this exercise is, we are able to strengthen the back portion of the knees if they need to be strengthened by just drawing our attention to the back portion of the knee. So bear with me. Get into this kneeling position. So when you're in this kneeling position, you want to make sure that you're not like so. You're nice and plump. So the middle of your ear, your shoulder, your hip, and the middle of the side of the knee are on the same line. And you go ahead and bring one knee or one leg forward. So what I'd like for you to do is to just move your whole body forward. And then when it's time to go backward, think about the back portion of your bent knee, the front knee. Think about that going towards the back wall. By you just drawing your attention to that back portion, you're actually strengthening the muscles or engaging the muscles that are involved in the strengthening the posterior or the back portion of the knee. And then you're going back. So it looks like this. You're going forward. Think about the back of the knee going towards the back wall like so. So back and forth. If I was not doing it, it still looks the same to you. It's just where your attention goes. It involves your posterior chain a lot more. Now, how do we stretch the hip flexor? By going forward and keeping the pelvis facing the camera. In this case, I'm stretching that by bringing this back. I'm going to neutral and I'm stretching my quads. So this is a really good dynamic exercise that gets you going with the proper movement and proper engagement of the muscles that in the long run will pay their dividend. If you're not following us on social media, make sure you visit the description box below to see where else you can find us. You can contact the office if you need to come in. We are now also doing coaching sessions for those individuals who are in other states other than California and out of country. Hope you've subscribed, and we will see you soon.